Good morning, students. Today's topic is operations on relation. Please note down the heading operations on relation. So, in relational algebra, we can do various types of operation on table. Here, table is termed as relation. Let us see what are the different operations we can do in relational algebra. Note down the names. Give the heading first, basic relational algebra operations. Basic relational algebra operations. Basic relational algebra operations. We may divide the relational operations, relational algebra operations in three basic groups. Note down the group names and the syntaxes. First one is unary relational operations. I am repeating, unary relational operations. And under this we have three queries: select, project, rename. Select, project, rename. Within bracket you may write the symbol for these statements. For select we have sigma. For project we have pi. And for rename we don't have any relational algebra symbol. Okay. And the second one is relational algebra operations from set theory. Relational algebra operations from set theory. And we have number 1 union, number 2 intersection, number 3 difference, and number 4 Cartesian product. Again you may write the symbol within bracket union. For union you can write capital U. For intersection there is no such symbol. For difference you have minus symbol, and for Cartesian product you may give a cross symbol, that is a multiplication symbol. Union, intersection, difference, and Cartesian product. These are relational algebra operations from set theory. Moreover, we have binary relational operations. Third one is binary relational operations. Binary relational operations. And the operations under these are join and division. Let us understand them one by one. First, write down unary relational operations from set theory, because select, project, and rename we almost covered in class 11 syllabus. So here we are starting from relational algebra operations from set theory. So first one is union operator. Union is from set theory. Say you have two tables. So union, if you are doing the union operation in between those two tables, that means you are taking the tuples from table number 1 as well as table number 2. Okay. Please note down the syntax of union operation. Table 1 union table 2. Table 1 union table 2. Okay. The symbol in set theory may represent like this. The union operation symbol in set theory may represent like this. Please draw the Venn diagram. of it. See here, set A and set B is given, is depicted by two circles, two overlapping circle, I must say, because in set A some of the elements may be there in set B also. So this is the set A union set B operation diagram. Okay, one example MySQL query we will do for union. With the keyword union we can get into it. See here, there are two tables given. First is course, in which course ID, student name and student ID is given, and second is student table, in which student ID, student name and student age are given. So these are the two tables, and I want to unite these two tables using the union operator, course table and student table. So what we will write, please note down the MySQL query. Select student name from course union, select student name from student, and an extra clause is given over here, order by city. So by the city it will order the student name from both the table. Okay, so please take down this example in your copy. Select student name from course union, select student name from student, order by city. The symbolic representation is given after that, no need to write that. Students, I would like to tell you that please note down the course table in your copy. Okay, under course ID the fields are like this: C101, C104, C106, C109, C115, and under student name we have Freya, Mohak, Praveen, Lokesh. Under student ID we have S901, S901, S911, S921, S931. And please take down the student table. Under student table we have student ID S901, 911, 921, 931, 941 and 951. Take down this. Then we have the student name Freya, Mohak, Praveen, Lokesh, Chandu and Rinku. Then we have student age 19, 18, 19, 17, 16, 18. Okay. So from these two tables we are applying the select query. Select student name from course and union, select student name from student, order by city, and this will result to the output as student name from both the table: Freya, Chandu, Praveen, Lokesh, Rinku, Mohak, and these names are sorted in order by city. So this is the output of union operation. Come to the next operation, intersection operation. Intersection operation can be suitably explained. Please give the heading intersection operation. Intersection operation, and of course please note down the symbol. It is U, but it is in inverted manner. The set theory operation, you may all known to it. The symbol for intersection operator is showing over here using a Venn diagram. See set A and set B, two sets, two overlapping sets. The intersection gives you the element that are common to both set A and set B. Clear? Draw the diagram in your copy. And now what we can understand from this diagram, the common fields from both the table will be displayed using the intersection operation. Please note down the syntax of intersection operation. Table 1, intersection symbol table 2. Let us see one example query. Again, that same course table and student table is used here in intersection operation. Write down the MySQL query for this. Select course.student name from course. Okay, here one spelling mistake is there. Make it course. Okay, R छूटा हुआ है यहाँ. So select, I'm repeating, select course.student name from course, comma student, where course.student name equals to student.student name. Again I'm repeating, यहाँ line change करने की ज़रूरत है, रुको. Select course.student name from course, from नीचे लिखो, from next line में, from course, comma student. फिर से line change करो, उसके बाद वहाँ where लिखो, where course.student name equals to student.student name. Okay, this is the sample query for intersection. No need to write the symbolic representation. Please note down the student name as output. The student name common to both the table, Freya, Mohak, Praveen and Lokesh. If you can see, Freya, Mohak, Praveen and Lokesh are in both the table. That's why the intersection operation show you both the relations. Okay, I'll show you the set difference operation in the next day. For today this much is enough. Thank you very much.